Life throws punches. Sometimes they knock you down, leaving you feeling lost, hurt and hopeless. You see others counting you out, convinced you'll never rise again. They underestimate you, expecting you to fail. But what if you could shock them all? What if you could make a comeback so spectacular it silences all doubters? This is your story, a story of resilience, determination, and triumph. 1. Disappear and reflect. Step away from the noise and distractions. This is your ghost mode, a period of focused introspection and growth. Embrace the darkness within you, using it as fuel to refine your purpose. Resist the urge to seek validation through social media or fleeting pleasures. This phase is crucial for forging the foundation of your comeback. 2. Learn and master. With distractions muted, it's time to acquire a skill that will empower your future. Choose wisely, focusing on one skill that will unlock financial freedom and personal growth. Nowadays, there are lots of online business ideas to choose from. This path requires dedication, but the rewards are immense. 3. Fuel your rise with productive vengeance. Channel the negativity from your past towards a positive goal. Imagine your haters and those who wronged you and picture them being buried by your achievements. This productive vengeance serves as a powerful motivator, pushing you to reach new heights. 4. Define your greatness. Envision the man you aspire to become. What qualities does he possess? What does he do? List these attributes and keep them visible, reminding yourself of the ideal you strive towards. By constantly aligning your actions with this vision, you will inevitably become that man. Remember, silence the noise. Go ghost mode to focus on self-improvement. Master a skill. Choose one skill with high potential for success. Seek productive vengeance. Use negativity as fuel to propel yourself. Define your greatness. Create a list of qualities you aspire to embody. Your comeback is within reach. Remember, your time is coming, and they won't see it coming.